I've just received a parcel from one of my favourite bead supply shops, and I thought I would share with you what I ordered. Let's have a look. Clover pendants. They're gold plated. I love the colour. So this isn't a very typical colour that you see. It's a really beautiful. Next, I have these Preciosa seed beads in size 8. I really needed some more size 8s in silver, and here they are. So I believe this colour was called Soft Silver. And these beads. I also needed more size 8 in yellow gold, and so these are Miyuki seed beads in galvanized gold. Here is another set of 5 clover charms. So these were called mint, but I feel like they have a bit of an aqua turquoise tone. These are also gold plated. So this is a Swarovski pendant of a cherry, gold plated. This came in yellow gold plated or silver plated. These are matte gold, yellow gold plated heart beads. These would look quite nice in beaded chokers. It's been quite the trend that when you have a beaded choker, you can slip in a heart or a star or your initial. And as you can see here, the hole is going through the side rather than top to bottom, which I always prefer, unless if it's earrings. Top to bottom is the best, but when it's a necklace or a bracelet, I like my holes to be left to right. And I believe that this is size 5 or 5.5 millimeter. These are matte gold plated beads. I just love these bright navy hearts. They're dark blue, but they're very vivid. They're really beautiful. I don't often see this color. These would make nice charms dangling off a bracelet or a necklace. All of my supply is gold plated that you see here. These are for eyeglasses. So if you're making chain for them, you can use these rubber ends. You can use them to convert your mask chains to eyeglass chains. And so these are rose gold plated. They also came in silver plated and yellow gold plated. Next I have here some chains, 2 types. My first type is 2mm gold plated chain. So the 3mm I had ordered was a bit thick. It was beautiful, but I just felt like 2mm would be best for most of my designs. It's a really nice chain. This was available in yellow gold, rose gold, or silver. This is yellow gold, and it's actually quite a light yellow gold, which I'm kind of surprised. So if we look at the difference between this one and this one, you can see quite a difference. I don't mind it. I like all colors of metals, but I just wasn't expecting this gold to be so light. These are quite neat. So they're ivory. It's like an ivory shimmer. So these are gold plated. The holes are left to right. So this is a Swarovski clover. Yellow gold crystal. Thought this was very pretty. These are yellow gold plated teardrops. So the holes are left to right. So So you could also incorporate these in your necklaces, your chokers. Next I have these dragonflies. So these are yellow gold plated. There were a few different styles for these dragonflies, and I chose these. I quite liked how they were not too wide and how they were long. What I wasn't sure about was how I felt about the little eyes. But now that I'm holding it, it's not noticeable. In the pictures on the website, the eyes looked very prominent. So these look like a matte gold. So these could be used for earrings, necklaces, a dangle on your bracelet. I have these 3 horseshoes, which would be great as a pendant on a necklace or a charm on a bracelet. Yellow gold plated. As I said, everything I've purchased in this order is plated. Now, one thing I will say about plated, it's prettier than not being plated, and it's just a little bit more expensive, but with a lot of wear, moisture, and all of that, it does start fading, so you start to see the metal underneath. These are similar to the ivory hearts, so these are in red, hole from left to right, plated gold. What I like about these octagonal hoops, they remind me of honeycomb, and the gold plated bee I think is quite cute on it. So if you were to add a jump ring, your bee would face outwards, and if you just slipped it on, it would face in the direction of where you're facing. Again, it's gold plated. This orange makes me very happy. I'm not a big lover of orange, but this orange is just so vivid. Last but not least, are these. So these are called crystal faceted rondelles. This is a white iridescent, and this is, I'm not sure what they call this color, but I'll try to find out and put it in the description. So I thought this would be a nice neutral color. So these are actually very inexpensive and they're very pretty. They're faceted, they're quite iridescent, multi-tonal. So I hope you enjoyed unpacking with me, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more unpackings or some more ideas, inspiration, and some items you might not have even known have existed.